Hello friends, hope doing good. Today I'll show you how to turn off SOS on iPhone. So why you want to remove the SOS on your iPhone? So sometime if you click many time on your iPhone, side button. If you at a time tap like 5 times, then it will be auto call on emergency number. So if you don't want to this feature, then you can just turn off. All right. So if you want to learn, then you can stay with me. Thanks for the watching. Uh, I just advance thanks to you. So you just tap the settings, then you can scroll down and look and find the emergency source. Then find it and tap here. Now, if you want to remove, turn off, then you can just disable here. Just disable. All right. So now it will be not work. Also, if you want to disable call after a serious crash, if you, for example, if you crash your car or bike, then it will be auto call. All right. So if you want to disable also this one, this you can just disable. So that's it. It is the pretty easy. You can do. And let me know if you have any query. Thanks for the watching. Bye bye.